the gum trees whisper, the wind takes a bow. A kookaburra laughs on the old fence somehow. The sun sinks low, paints the hills in gold. These boots know the dirt, these stories they hold. On the dusty road home, where the rivers run dry, under wide open skies, where the echoes don't lie. Every step's a memory, every mile's a song. On the dusty road home, where my heart belongs. The pub's still standing, though the roof's caving in. Old Mick at the bar, trading yarns with a grin. The ghost of a shearer still hums through the halls, while the shadows of bushfires dance on the walls. And I hear my name carried soft on the breeze, like a call from the past, through the rustling trees. On the dusty road home, where the rivers run dry, under wide open skies, where the echoes don't lie. Every step's a memory, every mile's a song. On the dusty road home, where my heart belongs.